My lord, in 202, I'm appealing on behalf of respondent number 2, Union of India.
I appear for the state respondent.
Yes.
Number 7.
Achha.
Your lordship,
No more extension. Matters are not in the list. What can I do? হ্যাঁ সে কি যে যার মতো বলছে আমি বুঝতে পারছি Yes, 202 who is
as
appearing?
I beg to appear, your lordship's order, my lords, of 18th of December.
Yes.
Because your lordships had directed the state to produce the case diary of the case that's in
Yes.
second page, the submissions.
Yes, Mr. Dotto, are the two FIRs one and the same?
My lord, it is a different version according to me. Please have a look to me, lord. Page number 50 first. This is at the first FIR, which is case number 990. May I place it for your lordship, my lord?
Yes, please.
আমার সবিনয় নিবেদন বিবাদীগণ আমার বাড়িতে এসে অকথ্য ভাষায় গালিগালাজ করিতে থাকে ততক্ষণে 1 নম্বর বিবাদী, মিলট 1 নম্বর ইজ উত্তম মন্ডল, কাইন্ডলি রিমেম্বার দি নেম। 1 নম্বর বিবাদী আমার স্বামীর নাম ধরিয়া স্বামীর মা বাবা তুলিয়া অকথ্য ভাষায় গালিগালাজ করিলে আমার স্বামী দরজা খুলিয়া বেরোলে স্বামীকে প্রাণে মারার জন্য ধারালো অস্ত্র লইয়া স্বামীর ডান হাতে কোপ মারিলে হাত কাটিয়ে গেলে রক্ত বাহির হয়, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমার দেওর নামে, দিস ইজ অ্যানাদার নেম, কাইন্ডলি কিপ ইন মাইন্ড দি ভিকটিম। আমার দেওর বিষ্ণুপদ মণ্ডল স্বামীর রক্ত দেখে প্রতিবাদ করিলে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে 1 নম্বর বিবাদী হাতে থাকা ধারালো অস্ত্র লইয়া দেওরের পেটে সজোরে আঘাত করিলে প্রাণে মারার জন্য দেওরের ভুঁড়ি বাহির হইয়া যায়, অধিক রক্ত প্রবাহ হলে ও আমার উক্ত দেওর ছটফট করিলে আমার যা সুস্মিতা, না সুস্মিতা ইজ দি কমপ্লেনেন্ট ইন দি নেক্সট FIR। সুস্মিতা মণ্ডল সহ আমরা চিৎকার কান্নাকাটি করিলে স্থানীয় লোকজন পাড়া প্রতিবেশী বেরিয়ে এলে বিবাদীগণ দৌড়িয়ে পালিয়ে যায়, গুরুতর রক্তাক্ত আঘাতপ্রাপ্ত জখম এক্সেট্রা স্থানীয় লোকজন নন্দীগ্রাম হাসপাতালে নিয়ে আসে এবং চিকিৎসার জন্য ভর্তি করিলে গুরুতর আশঙ্কাজনক দেখে ডাক্তারবাবু রেফার করেন SSKM হসপিটালে। আমার স্বামী নন্দীগ্রাম হসপিটালে চিকিৎসারত রইয়াছে, বর্তমানে স্বামী মৃত্যুর সহিত পাঞ্জা লড়াই করিতেছে। নাও দিস ইজ দি ভার্সন অফ সন্ধ্যা মণ্ডল ইন রিগার্ড টু the injury of both Gurupodo and Vishnupodo. Now kindly take the next FIR. The complaint is at page 66. Now that Sushmita Mondol is lodging this complaint. আমার বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে উক্ত বিবাদীগণ দুষ্ট প্রকৃতি দাঙ্গাবাজ সমাজবাদী গতকাল ইংরেজি সোয়েন্সো রাত প্রায় সোয়েন্সো নাগাদ সমূহ বিবাদীগণ একযোগে পরিকল্পিতভাবে জোটবদ্ধ হইয়া আমার বাড়ির উপর চড়া হয় এবং অকথ্য অশ্রাব্য ভাষায় গালিগালাজ করে। তখন আমার স্বামী বাড়ির বাইরে এসে সমূহ বিবাদীগণ হাতে লাঠি, লোহার রড, ধারালো অস্ত্র, আগ্নেয়াস্ত্র নিয়ে আমার স্বামী ও আমার উপর আক্রমণ করে এবং রাজকুমার মণ্ডল চিৎকার করে বলে, মেঘনাথ পাল বলেছে সবাইকে মেরে শেষ করে দে। 1 নম্বর থেকে 6 নম্বর বিবাদী ধারালো অস্ত্র নিয়ে বুকে আঘাত করে। তার ফলে আমার স্বামী বিষ্ণুপদ মণ্ডল রক্তাক্ত অবস্থায় ছটফট করতে থাকে এবং আমাকে শ্লীলতাহানি করার চেষ্টা হয়। দিস ইজ দি আদার থিং, শ্লীলতাহানি। আমি আমাকে ও আমার স্বামীকে রক্ষা করার জন্য চিৎকার করি। আমার চিৎকার শুনে প্রতিবেশীরা ছুটে এলে উক্ত সময় আমার প্রতিবেশীদের বিবাদীগণ হুমকি দেয় যে উক্ত ঘটনায় অভিযোগ করিলে প্রাণে মারার হুমকি দিয়ে পালিয়ে যায়। তারপর আমার স্বামীকে প্রতিবেশীরা এসে উদ্ধার করে নন্দীগ্রাম সুপার স্পেশালিটি হসপিটালে নিয়ে এসে চিকিৎসকরা প্রাথমিক চিকিৎসা করে SSKM হসপিটালে রেফার করে। মাঝ রাস্তায় আমার স্বামীর শারীরিক অবস্থার অবনতি হওয়ায় তমলুক জেলা হসপিটালে ভর্তি করানো হলে চিকিৎসকরা মৃত বলে ঘোষণা করে রাত 1:38। এই মুহূর্তে আমার পরিবার চরম আতঙ্কে আছে এক্সেট্রা। অ্যান্ড দি লাস্ট সেন্টেন্স, এই মুহূর্তে আরো জানানো হচ্ছে যে আমরা তফসিল সম্প্রদায়ভুক্ত এবং আক্রমণ করে ও আমাদের ছোট লোকের বাচ্চা বলে গালাগাল দেওয়া হয়। Now the difference between the two FIRs are possibly these are emanating from one incident. There may not be any dispute on that. The thing is, there are two versions of the same story. In respect of the first FIR, the lady or the complainant was concerned about the injury suffered by her husband, that is Gurupada, and says that her Dayo, which is Vishnupada, also suffered injury. The second FIR is at the instance of Vishnupada's wife, whose name is also referred in the first FIR. Now she makes the threefold complaint. Number one is the death of Vishnupada. Death of Vishnupada was not mentioned in the first one, where in the first one only Vishnupada's injury is mentioned. In the second one, Vishnupada's death, then ST, and this molestation, etc. These allegations are there. Now, the case which is sought to be made out in the writ petition is that, over the self-same incident, two FIRs cannot, or two cases cannot be registered. This is the case. Now, there is a distinguishing feature, which your lordship know, that after T.T. Anthony Millard has been considered and explained in very many matters. First is, both the complaints are not by the same person. Number two is, the counter complaint is maintainable. Number three is, a different version of the same incident is also maintainable. Therefore, this is not a case which will attract T.T. Anthony and the same line of cases that there cannot be two FIRs. But on that note, I wish to make some submission before your lordship, if time permits, because we are all, your lordship is already.
Tell me till date you have not added 103 in the first case.
Well, that I have to see from the case diary. I believe the case diary is there.
They acted on the first FIR. They have arrested people who are arrested on the first FIR. They're produced on remand. That order your lordships will find at page 52 in the first FIR. It is not a case of counter versions, or this is not, because both are.
No, that is my submission. I'm going to establish that. I only outlined my submissions. Then I'm going to justify that.
In the first FIR, these people are arrested and they are remanded, and during investigation, the map was drawn, etc. Sketch map. Your lordship will find that, and there is.
So I'm not on that, sir. I am only on the issue that 103 has been added in this first FIR or not.
No, it is not under 103.
The answer is no.
It's not under 103 to my knowledge, subject to what the case diary speaks of.
And so far as the then how are you going to investigate? I don't understand. Had this been a 180 statement and incorporated in the first FIR, I could have understood. Because, but if this is so, then Vishnupada's fact being injured, are you going to throw away from the first FIR?
No, certainly not. Certainly not. But so far as I am concerned, if two versions come to me, I have to register two FIRs. Please consider whether this is prohibited or not. I don't wish to tell your lordship that FIRs are not encyclopedia of facts. That is why investigation is to be made. XYZ. These are not required. But please have a look.
No, but the degree of test of sameness is to be considered also.
Yes. Sameness and the consequence test. These are to be considered. Now please consider whether this what is the applicability of the sameness test over here. But before that, kindly have a look to two judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court. My learned junior is having it in court. Please consider these two judgments.
Advocate General may wait his turn, my lords. I may place the judgments and the facts of my case in this.
Just
in
one.
that case, kindly take it up tomorrow, Millard. In that case, kindly take it up tomorrow, Millard. If the court sits tomorrow, please take it up tomorrow, because I am also somewhat out of time.
Learned Advocate General misunderstands me. I am not asking for tomorrow, my lords. I am asking for my prayer in the interregnum while my petition is pending for consideration before this honorable court. That the point is, my lords, that there is a death of Vishnupada Monda. The only point of difference is various other sections have been added in the second FIR and 26 other persons have been added, whereas this very person is cited witness in the first FIR. Please see that part, my lords.
These factual issues, Millard, with respect, cannot be gone into.
It can be
gone petition.
I don't understand with the learned.
But on the principle, I am here to address your lordship on the principle that whether these two FIRs or these two investigations can go on side by side or not. I would be respectfully submitting it can go on, considering the nature of the allegation and taking the FIR as it is, without adding and without deleting anything from either of the FIRs. But I would be respectfully submitting both the FIRs are maintainable and both the investigation can go on side by side. Kindly take it up tomorrow. This is my prayer. At 5:20 p.m.
Acha, tomorrow is not possible, Mr. You know the consequences.
PC 51 for a moment.
Just 1 minute, sir. Let us work on the interim orders
Yes.
right now.
My
Huh.
prayer, my lords. My prayer
Just 1 minute, sir.
at page 38. I'm pressing for prayer D, my lords.
Where it's at the instance of an accused. This is very important.
Huh.
That the Supreme Court.
You come at page 66, Mr.
Yes, sir, I'm at page 66.
আচ্ছা over here you will say 1 নম্বর থেকে 6 নম্বর বিবাদীগণ ধারালো অস্ত্র নিয়ে বুকে আঘাত করে তার ফলে আমার স্বামী সোয়ানসো এবং আমাকে এই করেছে আমি আমাকেও আমার স্বামী রক্ষা কর so rest of the persons for the timing you give a concession.
Please consider, whether this
I've
concession.
I've got direct allegation against 1 to 6.
Yes.
So I am not whatever you want to do with them, do with them.
Yes.
I've got nothing to say. Rest
Yes.
20% who have
Yes.
been named. For
Yes.
the timing, you give notice to them. Don't take any coercive steps. 1 to 6, whatever you want, you do with them.
Yes.
I have got. I'm not interfering with 1 to 6 because there is a direct allegation against them.
Right.
So far as the added parties, another say 24 persons are there over here.
Yes. Yes.
Be slow with them, sir. For the timing before the vacations, don't embroil me in all these things for long hearing.
Lord, if the court Lord, have any confidence on me, kindly, Lord, keep it immediately after the vacation in respect
I'm
of
not
the
there.
rest.
I'm not there till 13th, sir. This is I'm joining on 13th.
Very well. It can be till 13th also. It can be till 13th also. As your Lordship has been pleased to observe, that will be, Lord, honored. This much I can say.
1 to 6, whatever you want to do, I have got nothing to say regarding. There is direct allegation in the contents of the FIR.
Right.
So far as 7 to 30 is concerned, ask your investigating officer.
Very well. Very well. Kindly do not record anything, Lord. This will be honored.
Sir, for the timing, sir.
I was only praying, my lords. Those 4 who have been named in the first FIR, they are being proceeded against, my lord. Rest who are added now, my lords, let that consider.
And that is being considered. Sir, Mr. Dave, please interact with me.
I know this.
I'm speaking with advocate.
Sorry.
24 to 30.
Yes.
There'll be an arrangement.
Yes.
There is an arrangement.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Till I take up the matter. All right. Because 1 to 6 is written over here. I am not interfering with that.
I bow down to your lordship.
So far as 7 to 30 is concerned, that state will see to it that the liberty is not curtailed.
My lord, can I kindly place this judgment before your lordship?
At the time of hearing,
No,
madam,
we are not addressing the court or
on the merits,
Yes,
everybody will be addressing. This is a touchy matter. We'll consider. I'll consider your hearing. Let the since you are the de facto.
My lord, yes, my lord.
De facto. Since state is vested with the investigation and they are tooth and nail fighting for you. Yes, sir, you agree with
I
this?
was still urging your lordships. 1 to 4 may be proceeded. Those
No,
named
no,
here who are 2, 3, 4,
We are
and 5.
opposing them. Your
You got
lordship.
2, 3, 4, and 5 in the new FIR, my lords. Accused 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the new FIR can be proceeded with, my lords. Rest your lordships may protect till your lordships take a call on the sameness as the learned advocate general is arguing. After those judgments, well, if your lordships find they are similar,
We'll consider as a whole.
Your lordship has said 1 to 6.
No, what I am not following. The numbers are not matching. That is why. What?
There are 4 persons, my lords, in the first FIR. That's Uttam Mandal, Bubun Sen, Prashanta Mandal, and Bholanath Mandal. Those 4 persons in the new FIR are A2, A5, A3, and A4.
I'm not on that, sir. Rajkumar Mandal, I'm telling you my mind. 2, 3, 4, and 5 are over here. 1 and 6 also, I will not interfere for the timing till the final hearing. You've got to exhaust other remedies.
Rajkumar Mandal and Chandan
Chandan
Kumar Das.
Das. This I am not interfering. 7 to 30, the arrangement is there.
And we'll put other materials on the malefides because they've all been provided jobs, etc.
Whatever it is, sir, you whatever. So this we go on, sir, for the timing till
Yes, yes. Kindly do not record anything, Lord. It's I'll see to it, my lord, that nothing happens to me. 7 to 30.
On a concession, my lord, lordships may record it, my lord. But I understand learned advocate general is very fair, my lord. I'm not denying that.
No, I'm not recording. Over here, I'm telling you with I have done matters where these things have been in my court till date. Nobody has failed on commitments. This much, be it central agencies concerned, be it state agencies concerned, nobody has failed in my court. I can,
They are in your lordship's jurisdiction, my lords. I bow down.
I'm keeping, when are you comfortable? After
Your lordships come
10th?
back
Yeah,
the
from the
13th,
circuit,
my lord.
yes.
13th. Lordships may have on lords. Is 14th convenient to your lordships, my lords?
You come in a weekend so that you can spend some more time over here in Calcutta.
I'm spending now, my lords. Today I'll spend, my lords. The
Today
lordships
is a
sit in-
week starting, sir.
week starting, my lords. Then can
Today
it
is
be?
you come 13th and 14th, perhaps I'll be busy because
No, I
I'll
bow
be
down.
just returning from the circuit.
So the week after that, my lords, your lordship may not only place it on a Monday or a Friday because that's miscellaneous for us.
Yes,
my lords.
yes.
It's like a Wednesday, my lords, 22nd, if it is not inconvenient to the court. My lords.
Don't take that week 22nd, everybody will be leaving from Calcutta, I'm telling you. So long holidays will be starting. So you 21st, I think better if you want to take.
21st, my lordship may place it.
21st will be better.
Well,
But on the assurance of the learned advocate,
Are I am
yes,
over
yes,
the lordships are for us here.
many bigger matters than this on oral arrangement. Dr. Singhvi, Mr. Raju, all gave me, if you don't have any problems, sir.
So difficult.
And he's a man of words.
No doubt, my lords. Learned advocate general is
Acha, uh, pursuant to the earlier direction and past service has been in effect. Aid upon the state. Learned advocate general appears on behalf of the state. According to the state, both the FIRs are presently in different in version. Both the FIR, one instituted aid at the behest of one instituted at the instance at the instance কোথা থেকে দেখছিলাম বলো তো মাথাটা কাজ করছে
one is Millard at page 50.
at the one at the instance of ki Shondha Mondol,
Yes.
the sister-in-law of the deceased, and the other at the instance of
Shushmita.
Mondol, wife of the deceased. The respective FIRs being Nandigram PS case number 990/24 and Nandigram PS case number 993/24. Learned Advocate General has taken the his court to the summary of the accusations which have been made in respect of the contents of the information furnished with the police authorities. Both the petitioners as well as the state intend to elaborate on the issues relating to test of sameness, consequences, as well as malefides. Let the hearing of the writ petition continue on 21st of January 2025, when it would appear under the heading for orders. In the meantime, Learned Advocate General would send necessary instructions to the investigating agency.
since the learned advocate, these people will not be arrested, my lord, not only in this FIR, but not somehow in the indirect way in the first FIR, then relying on a 160, making this like the original 161 statement, proceeding under that. So that clarity I just wanted from the learned advocate.
How can he say regarding that? What is before me, I can compel, sir.
Both are before.
Ah.
Both are before. My
He will,
I'm
don't-
only expressing
don't-
my apprehension, my lords.
Sir, absoluteness cannot be said, but he has given an undertaking. That's short.
I just wanted it. Sir. I'm grateful to your lordship, lords, for taking up this matter so late after you.
Ah, Rama.